Hello everyone, this is Alexey, and this is another newscast about power semiconductors industry. Again, I thank all my followers for your feedback. I'm glad that my work makes our industry more popular around the world. And now let's check, what is new in power semiconductors industry? Vishay Technology introduced three new series of 130 to 300 amps three-phase bridge power modules in an ultra-compact MTC package that deliver reliable operation for heavy-duty industrial applications. The new series are optimized for line frequency input rectification in welding machines, switch mode power supplies, plasma cutting, battery chargers, and motor control. Toshiba Electronic Devices and Storage Corporation and Toshiba Corporation have developed a silicon carbide MOSFET that arranges embedded Schottky barrier diodes in a check pattern to realize both low on resistance and high reliability. Toshiba has confirmed that the new design secures an approximately 20% reduction in on resistance against its current silicon carbide MOSFET with no loss of reliability. The asymmetric bridge conversion represents the best approach to powering low-cost, efficient, and robust switched reluctance motors. Vincotech's new 1200-volt PIM family, based on a symmetric bridge topology, supports the design with a flexible and cost-effective solution. It includes a latest generation chipsets with 15, 35, and 50 amps nominal current for wide power range offer. Soitec broke ground on the construction of its wafer fab extension at Singapore's Pasir Ris Wafer Fab Park. The ceremony was held in the presence of Low Yen Lin, Singapore's Minister of State for Trade and Industry, and Her Excellency Minh Di Tan, Ambassador of France to Singapore. The extension has been designed to support Soitec's commitment to an energy-efficient use of resources and make the new facility a sustainable, state-of-the-art working environment. Soitec aims to double its workforce in Pasir Ris to more than 600 by 2026. In parallel to this extension, Soitec is also expanding its technology presence in Singapore with the operational start of its characterization lab within Soitec Singapore Technology Center. Electrification and advanced driver assistance systems will drive the semiconductor chip market from $44 billion in 2021 to $81 billion in 2027. These big technological changes also deeply affect the current automotive supply chain. For electrification, vertical integration is becoming popular among car-making OEMs. It can be accomplished in multiple ways. One is full integration down to component level and system integration and subcontracting build-to-print parts. Another is strategic operation and direct investments with key component suppliers. This Yole webcast will present these different topics as well as market data. The world is looking beyond silicon for the next generation of power electronics. NexGen vertical GaN is the world's first GaN-on-GaN power semiconductor, unlocking the full potential of gallium nitride. It is the only wide bandgap power semiconductor that provides high voltage capabilities up to 4 kV, switching frequencies up to 10 MHz, and avalanche and short-circuit robustness. This makes it an ideal power semiconductor for applications for a broad array of applications, including LED lighting and computing to data centers, industrial automation, and electric vehicles. During this NexGen webinar, you'll learn more about NexGen vertical GaN technology architecture and its benefits. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.